The science behind the heat. Behind the fiery flavor of chili peppers lies a compound with surprising medicinal properties, capsaicin. This natural alkaloid works by stimulating specific nerve receptors, known as TRPV1 receptors. When activated, these receptors initially send pain signals to the brain. However, prolonged exposure leads to a desensitization effect, reducing the perception of pain. Harnessing the heat for pain relief. Capsaicin's ability to desensitize pain receptors makes it a promising ingredient for topical pain relief. It can provide temporary relief from conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. DIY Capsaicin Cream. You can harness the power of capsaicin with a simple DIY remedy, a capsaicin cream. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons cayenne pepper powder, 1 cup coconut oil. Instructions: 1. Mix 3 tablespoons of cayenne powder with 1 cup of coconut. 2. Heat the oil on a low simmer until it melts. 3. Stir the mixture thoroughly for 5 minutes. 4. Remove from heat and pour into a bowl. Let it firm up. 5. Massage onto skin when cooled. Important considerations. Patch test. Before applying the cream to a larger area, do a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions like redness, itching, or burning. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have underlying health conditions, are taking medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult with your doctor before using capsaicin cream. Avoid sensitive areas. Never apply the cream to broken skin, mucous membranes, or sensitive areas like the eyes and mouth. Start slow. Begin with a small amount of cream and gradually increase the dosage as needed. Wash hands thoroughly. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after applying the cream to avoid accidental eye or mouth contact. By following these precautions, you can safely and effectively use capsaicin cream to alleviate pain.